Good morning. We are outside, people. It is officially that time of the year where we can sit outside and do readings. And I'm wearing red today, apparently. Apparently. But isn't this nice? So I'm sitting in the shade, otherwise it's going to be impossible to film. I did want to sit... Oh, things falling from the tree, but the leaves are also starting to, like, it's very beautiful, come out. The only thing we miss is Moon running around in the background. But I just saw two birds, so maybe Moon is here anyway. I can hear the wolf dog. Well, it's actually been a while since we spoke about what do you call that? Wolf spirit guides, right? It's really been a while. So maybe some of you guys are tapping into that again. We're coming to life. Things are blossoming and coming to life. We're feeling good. I wanted to film over there. I don't know if I finished that sentence. I wanted to film over there where I did the slow-mo video last year. But yesterday my brother saw like a snake. Well, in Denmark it's probably not dramatic, but it was dramatic enough for me to be like, maybe I shouldn't sit here. I mean, maybe it's okay, we are not going to think about it. Well, snakes are a sign of transformation, right? 222. It's the beginning of something new. And the death of something else. It's interesting because Spirit showed me this energy of like putting something down a tulip flower and then it's closing. So whatever you put in, like it's the end of something, and then when it's ready to transform, the tulip will open. You know, like tulips, they do have a tendency to close, or they do close when it's dark, right? That's maybe also a symbol. Like we close down with if something feels hidden, if something feels dark. But we know that the light is coming back. Today I dig deep into the cabinet of oracles and I found this. I think we should use this. There's something popping up. Earth Wisdom Oracle. Oh, there's a little bit of sun peeking through. Rest. The wind is a little bit cold. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the grass. There's two planes, right? One goes that way and one goes that way. What's coming in? I heard you have to look at your manifestation as closer, not as further away, whatever it is that you're manifesting. The end goal is closer, but you might see it as further away. So, and there's also something, oh, now I can't remember what it was. But I saw an astrologer talk about this idea that what's being built or created now. And this is, no matter if this is like relationships, if it's something about work, dreams, desires, it's meant to last. Where the last period we just went through, it had the tendency to bring connections in, dreams in, that was just not strong enough, because it made us look into the darker aspect. Again, we spoke about this aspect of Aquarius, Moon in Aquarius, right? So, thought you heard something. What is coming in now is going to last for the next 14 years. So really put your manifestation glasses on. Your manifestation glasses. What is that even? What do we need to know? Oh. No, I don't think we have had this before. Heart healing. Wow. Look at this. Ooh. I mean, you're very nice, son, but the wind is a little bit cold. Maybe something feels cold in your life. Number 5, that's a new beginning. And then we have, it's my hair. Clear aura, number 7. Something is being activated. It's so interesting. I had this and it started, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, where I suddenly had this shooting pain. That's so interesting. Actually here, and I don't know if I talked about that, but I got so freaked out that I took all my clothes off, because I thought that it was a spider that bit me, or there was a wasp or something. I freaked the hell out, and I couldn't see anything besides that it was red, right? And for 1 week after, sometimes the pain, came when I moved in a certain direction. So, I mean, it could have been very symbolic, because it does feel like maybe some of you guys did have something with your shoulders, or pain somewhere else. Always look up the spiritual meaning of that. And now you have gone through heart healing, right? So yeah, I mean, I have to look at what, I don't know, is it the shoulder, what do you actually call that in American? Shoulder blade, I don't think that's what you call it. It's because that I think about the Danish word, I think. Skulderblad. Anyway, some kind of healing has happened. There has been an aura. Aura cleansing, which makes sense, because I feel this part is probably connected with the heart, right? And then we have the rest. Well, that's actually the card that, 15. Yeah. I just want to take the book quick. It's good that I don't film down here, because the wind just does weird things. Anyway. Bleeding heart. Heals broken hearts and wounds caused through relationship issues. Yeah. It can be past relationships, okay, people? Okay, people. Whatever, I mean, again, we spoke about this in the past. What sound is that? There could have been a relationship, well, it could have been your first relationship. Now you're healing something from that. But you just calm down with, because it's a little bit cold. My heart hurts, I feel the pain. How funny is that? Because this is what the theme has been on this channel, right? Okay, my heart hurts, I feel the pain and name the source of it. I allow myself to experience it even though it is hard. I honor the experience of my heart, I release the pain. That's why the wind is here, because the wind releases the pain. I can see I don't have that much battery on, so I will see if I can make this quick. And also water. The door just opened by itself, and that's not possible because I'm alone. You cannot open that door if you're not like pulling down on it. Well, come out, come out. Anyway, I guess if someone is here, they're going to come out, but I didn't have any notification. Cleanse the aura. It rises your vibration and protects against spiritual pests. Wow. Spiritual pests. I care for my spirit as I care for my body. I cleanse it daily from unwanted influences. I wash myself in spiritual love and light and understanding. 12:12 and 5:7 is 12. I spoke with Alison about this, with remembering, because I'm so bad at that, and I have gotten this told for such a long time, especially before I have customers, to like close off my aura. And I know it's something I need to do from the morning. I also know Petra actually talked about that, the psychic. Okay, we have the last one, and then let's see if the camera dies before I pull tarot. But isn't this nice, people? To just be out here. So it's time to allow relaxation to take place, because it is going to replenish your body, mind and spirit. Maybe you need to also sleep more at the moment. I vow you the gift of sleep, which provides rest for the body, mind and opportunities for the spirit, and makes sufficient time for sleep. It's interesting because I just felt like a little peak here, I haven't experienced something for a long time. There are noises today. Clarity. Woo. Let's see, people. I'll try to make this short. So many swallows here again. So nice. Which is a sign of abundance and luck. Hello. New opportunities and you being playful, right? Yeah. Maybe it's, communication or travel. We just speak about that in the daily. Whatever that means for you. Don't be afraid of this. Wow. It has the same energy of the daily reading, because there's something that's destined here. Something is destined to happen on our destined opportunity, destined message, communication, whatever it is. Travel, right? If someone is, what's a white feather flowing down? Well, alright. If someone invites you out or something today, say yes. If someone invites you to communication, say yes. Whatever destiny is inviting you to, say yes. Because again, cold. I think that's going to be it, people. Thank you for allowing me just to do a little tap in, a little extra bonus Friday reading in nature. okay? And then I will charge the phone and I might actually do another one, depending on how the sun is shifting in this area. I will talk to you guys soon. Toodles.